To do this, you will need the USB cable supplied in the box. Connect the larger end into the PC and the smaller end into your GPS. Your GPS will show a screen showing it is connected to the PC. On the PC, open Navdesk 2. If you don't have Navdesk 2 installed, you can download it via the link provided in the description. Navdesk 2 will check for map and software updates. Select Contents. Select Manage. Select Browse. Locate the map file you have downloaded from the email that you received after purchasing your map key. It should be located in the Downloads folder. Select the map file and click Open. Click Open again. Click Unlock. Enter your Map Unlock product key and click Continue. This would have been emailed to you when you purchased the map. Your map product key has been activated. Click OK to continue. Click Open again. Tick the box next to the map region you are updating, followed by Remove. Tick the box next to the map region you are updating, followed by Install. Please allow 10 to 20 minutes for the installation to finish. Map installation is now complete. Click OK. To confirm the maps have been installed successfully on your GPS, you should now see the map under My Navman on Navdesk 2. You can now close Navdesk 2. Please disconnect your Navman.